Divide 10 and 1/4 divided by 5 1/2. When dividing two mixed numbers, the first thing you want to do is turn them both into improper fractions. How do I turn this first mixed number into an improper fraction? Well, take that 10 out in front and multiply it to the denominator of 4. 10 times 4 is 40. Now add that 40 to the numerator. 40 plus 1 is 41, and keep the old denominator of 4 just like the way it is. Drop down that division symbol and do the same exact thing with 5 1/2. Multiply the 5 that lives out in front to the denominator of 2. 5 times 2 is 10. Add that to the numerator of 1. 10 plus 1 is 11, and keep the old denominator of 2. Now, when you divide two fractions, you're going to use the rule keep, change, flip. What does that mean? You keep the first fraction exactly the way it is. You change the sign in the middle from division to multiplication, and you flip the fraction from 11 over 2 to 2 over 11. Now that I have two fractions being multiplied together, I can multiply straight across the numerator and straight across the denominator. 41 times 2 is 82. 4 times 11 is 44. Now you look at that and you notice two things. Thing number one, you can simplify that fraction because they're both even numbers. So divide the numerator and the denominator both by 2, and that will get you 41 over 22, the Tidler-Swift special. Now, the other thing you notice is that is an improper fraction, which means we can turn this back into a mixed number by using long division and finding out how many times 22 goes into 41. Well, 22 goes into 41 one time. 1 times 22 is 22. We're going to subtract. So let's see. 1, you can't subtract 1 minus 2. So let's borrow from you, make you a 3, and make you 11. 11 minus 2 is 9. 3 minus 2 is 1. So with no more numbers to drop down, that last number is going to be your remainder. Remainder 19. How do I turn all that information into a mixed number? Take the one that you got and make that the number that lives out in front. The remainder is going to be your new numerator, and your denominator of 22 is just going to stay your denominator of 22. So when we're done, we finally get the answer of 1 and 19/22.